Hello, this is Start here, and I'm doing the last session, that is the session number 6. And we are going to learn London Bridge is falling down. Okay, and before we can learn it, uh, I want to show the screen to you so that you can identify the notes which are written there and also try to play it with both the hands, our left and our right. Right now, till now, we are playing with our right hand. Now we're going to combine both our right and our left. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, if you look here at the screen, we see G A G F. Last class, I taught you how to read the notes. The first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. And we also see numbers written here, that is 4 and 2. 4 represents your finger numbers. Okay, so be aware of that. G A G F E F G. Okay, because this is on E, the first line. This is F because it's on the space. This is G because it's on the second line. The next D E F E F G. Likewise, the second line is going to be G A G F E F G D G E C. And note the fingers here are 2 and 1. And you should always note that you have to keep your fourth finger on G because they are mentioned here. See, it's written 4 and the note is G. If you do so, after pressing your fourth finger, the following fingers, the remaining fingers, that should be on the other 4 keys. Okay, your fourth finger should be on G, then your fifth finger should be on A, middle finger on F, pointed finger on E, and this one on D. So if we see the notes, it's going to be this is our right hand. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to try to play with both our hands together. So look at the sheet music. We did our right hand. Now our left hand, we have to just press C for the first 8 measures for the half count. So play with your thumb. It's written there 1. Can you see here? It is written 1 here. So if you can do that, that's well and good. Your thumb, then keep your fingers, your right hand fingers in the respective places. Then hope all of you played it that way. Let me repeat it once again. Now see my fingers while I play it. Okay, once again. So. This is how we play with both our hands together. Okay, so that's very essential to know our both the hands. Okay, now moving forward, I'm going to share my screen with you regarding uh, the notes that we see here. See on the top we see our right hand notes. Below we see the left hand notes. Okay, these two are called rests. Even this is also called rest. Okay, just keep a note of it. And the numbers here are called according to the numbers that you should play, the finger numbers you should play. Okay, this is for our left hand numbers. Okay, this is how you read the sheet music, and this is the end with one thick line and one thin line represents the end of the song. Hope you understood this lesson well, and you'll be learning how to play London Bridge is Falling Down with both hands. If you follow the steps, you'll be able to learn it easily. Okay, thank you for joining this class and learning London Bridge is Falling Down.